Good morning students. Let's discuss the question that is related to the chapter, the last lesson. As you know that we are going to revise the chapter once more, and this time we are discussing about the important questions of this one. First of all student, there is a question you can see here. What tempted French to stay away from school? On that day, it was called the last lesson of the French language, but French was totally unaware about that truth. But he just not want to go to school. Why? What was the reason? French feared a scolding at school as he had not prepared his lesson on participle, on which his French teacher M. Hamel was to question the class that day. Besides the warm and bright weather, the chirping of birds, the sight of the marching of the Prussian soldiers also tempted French to stay away from school. The beautiful atmosphere of the outside area, as well as he was not able to learn the participle of French language, and Mr. Hamel was really a strict teacher. That is why he does not want to go to school on that day. Second question is, what shows M. Hamel's love for the French language? You know very well that M. Hamel not only the teacher of French language, but he loves his language a lot as a mother language. So what kind of gesture shows that he really loves his language a lot? M. Hamel had taught the French language in the school for 40 years and was overcome with emotions when he realized the villagers would not be able to learn it anymore. He wanted them to preserve the language with them, thus showing his love for the language. And you know that the dressing sense, the dress he was weared at the same day, unusual cloth, a special cloth he usually wear for the occasion of the special prize day, any function or the church prayer, etc. That is why we can easily say that he really loves his language a lot, so that he just tributed the last French lesson of his life very gratefully, because he know that he just spent 40 years in the particular place in Alaska, and the last day he just want to celebrate it to wearing the breast cloth and as well as to teach the student in the best manner. The next question student, what was order from Berlin called thunderclap by French? Thunderclap, it means French was really shocked to know that. What was the order? Actually, the announcement made by M. Hamel that there was an order from Berlin to stop teaching French and that this was their last French lesson seemed to be a thunderclap to French. He would no longer to be able to learn French language, it means his mother tongue. Actually, the order from Berlin stated that only German will be taught in the school of Alaska and Lorraine. This means that French would no longer to be taught in the school. M. Hamel, the French teacher, would have to leave. This also caused the elder villagers to attend the school for the last lesson in French language. So French, who was completely unaware about this truth, when he came to know, he was really shocked, and it was like a thunderclap to him. The next question, what did French notice that was unusual about the school that day? French reached the school, he was already late for the school, and for the regular occasions when he usually comes school at late, then Mr. M. Hamel really scolded him a lot. But that day he noticed some unusual thing, or that day French noticed many unusual things about school that day. Usually when the school began, there was a much commotion which was missing that day. It means the sound of different kind of gestures made by the students inside the classroom. Suppose they are writing something and they are snatching their tables and the scratching of papers, etc. But this day it was very calm and peace inside the class. It was like Sunday morning, which was missing that day. His teacher M. Hamel had on his ceremonial cloth. Ceremonial, it means the dress he was wearing the particular day. Usually he wear for the best occasions. But the most unusual thing was the people were sitting quietly on the back benches, which was usually empty. some villagers, those were the student of the French language also. Usually they were not present inside the class, but on that day every single villager who was the part of that class was present there on that day. Next was, how is mother tongue important? Mr. M. Hamel, all the time he says that the mother language is a key to the prison. French is the most precious, logical, beautiful language of the world, and with so many beautiful words he defined the importance of the mother language also. The mother tongue is the representative of nation's true identity and character. It acts as a binding force, creating unity among the countrymen. M. Hamel rightly said that when a people are enslaved, as long as they hold fast to their language, it is as if they had key to their prison. Only the mother tongue has ability to make the people united, to create strength among all of them, and just to make them integrate so that they could be able to fight against any kind of disintegration. So through these questions we can define the chapter of the last lesson, how M. Hamel was so emotional at the time of his last lesson, as he has written on the blackboard that the Vive la France, that means the long live the France, that he was just full of emotional, his throat was choked, he was not able to say any more word, he just made a gesture by the hand to dismiss the class. Student, here are some other questions, just a long question also here. Everybody during the last lesson is filled with regret. What kind of regret they were feeling in their heart? We have already discussed about the regret of Mr. Hamel, that that day he confessed that of course when he just want to go for the fishing, and he just dismissed the class and give the students the holiday. Second, he also sent the students to water his plants. He feel very regret that sometime he failed to make the students learn the French language, and some other reasons also. M. Hamel is filled with regret because he had not taken enough interest in the teaching French, as he often sent students for petty errands and gave them a holiday when he didn't want to teach. He sent the student for his personal work. French regretted that he had not been learning his lesson but skipping school for enjoying other activities. He also regretted that M. Hamel was going away. He would never see him again. Despite his strictness and crankiness, the villagers regretted that they did not utilize the opportunities given to them for learning French when it was possible. That is why they had to turn up the full strength for the last lesson. Also, they were not concentrating, as friend said that, because on the very last day of the French lesson he was very easily understand all the participle and the lesson that were taught by M. Hamel. Why? Because he was really attentive inside the class, but usually in normal days he doesn't very careful about the lessons inside the class. And all the time, as M. Hamel also said, that we say that we have plenty of time and we will do it tomorrow, and that tomorrow will never be come. So we must be very attentive. This lesson by the M. Hamel, that the teacher, he just want to give us some message that we must be very attentive inside our class. All the lessons, we must be very resolute and determined about our lessons what we are learning inside the class regularly, and never give any kind of work to postpone any kind of work for the tomorrow. The tomorrow we say that tomorrow we will do, it will never become. So this is a very beautiful lesson, and really I hope you have revised this good, and revise these questions also, student. Tomorrow we will do the next chapter of your syllabus. Goodbye. Thank you.